How to reactivate your Snapchat account. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can reactivate your Snapchat account. So to reactivate your Snapchat account, you have to follow some steps. So you make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, log back into the Snapchat app with the username within 30 days of the deactivating your account. While your account is deactivated, you can only log in with your username and password, and it can sometimes take 24 hours before a deactivated account can be activated. Also guys, you can alternatively within those 30 days you can reactivate your account by going to Snapchat on the web and signing in with your username and password. So guys, remember you must use your username and not the email address to log in, and if you receive your username not for an error code, so make sure that you are using your username to log in, not your email address. If you follow these steps, your Snapchat account will be reactivated and you can start using the Snapchat again. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.